So this here is our process. We're going to have the feed right here, which we already know the flow rate, temperature, pressure, and the compositions. Then we're going to have a chiller, which is going to cool down the temperature. This will be the feed to the flash. The flash drum will separate the vapor, which must be volatile material, and the liquid will be the most heavy material. Now we go continue with the vapor. We go to the heater. We heat the vapor right here because we're going to have a combustion. Actually, we're using this equilibrium reactor in order to use this similar to a combustion. So the reactants, you know already that all the carbon materials are going to get oxidized with the oxygen of the air right here. Now we need to state the reactor liquid flow rate, but there will not be actually a flow rate, so flow rate will be 0 because this is a reactor, so it needs a gas and a liquid flow. Anyways, there will be only gas flow in the stack gas. So hopefully this will be CO2, water, leftovers of the air, and so on. Then we go here, we will get it to this turbine in order to get that internal energy converted to mechanical energy. We get this turbine workload, and the outlet is essentially the leftover air and CO2 discharge of the turbine right here. Now we continue with the liquid right here. Remember that we have these valves, we need to decrease the pressure right here, and then we get it through a distillation column. We're going to state the heat duties, boilers, number of stages right here, where does the feed goes, and eventually we're going to have 3 products: the gas, the distillate, and the bottoms products, because we have initially 3, so we are trying to split those 3 right here. Finally, we use the pump to give this final product a increase in pressure. Okay, so this is our process diagram. This is what we need to aim to build, at least use all the streams. I don't think you can use less streams than the stated right here, so if you use more streams, that's no problem. Anyways, okay, so unit operation, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 unit operations, which we need to state as well. Okay, so let's start doing the simulation.